Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another little pocket knife to show you. This is your standard 2-blade jackknife. 2 blades on one end. A jackknife can have 1 blade on the end as well. It's got some Tang stamps. This looks like USA, foreign, patent pending. And then we have the Imperial stainless USA Tang stamp. This one seems a little more modern. I would think this knife is probably from maybe the 80s. It's got the shell constructed handles with the decorative wrapping on it. You got a shield crest here, and we have brass liners. What else? I had to sharpen these blades up a little bit. They were looking bad, and I had to file down the kicks right here, right there. That's called the kick, and so they would seat more deeply into the knife there. Let's go ahead and check the sharpness on these. I got a zucchini from my garden, and they're already starting to grow like crazy, but we can kind of test the sharpness with this. Let's spin it. It's kind of hard to do this from behind the camera, but we'll give it a shot. That one's pretty sharp. And then we got the pin blade. Maybe we could just skin it. So a little pocket knife like this can be handy. I'm gonna EDC this for a little bit. It's a little bit small for my comfort zone because I'll forget it's in my pocket and it'll end up in the washer. But anyway, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.